we're aware that some of you may have been part of the community for a while, some of you may be new, so something that we like to do here is sort of give you an introduction as to what we do. And yeah, let me see. Cool. So what's our mission? What's our aim? Our mission and aim with this community is to empower women to be at the forefront of technology and innovation. And the course that you're embarking on today is an example of that. The vision is things, basically courses like this, to improve your overall education, create space for you to seek mentorship, create space to build a community, and hopefully that will help you succeed further in your careers. And yeah, today's just an example, but we continuously provide workshops, events to connect you guys with industry mentors, foster that supportive community, and just create overall more inclusive industry practices. So just a heads up before we go into this course for the next few weeks, we do have a code of conduct just to ensure that our community maintains its supportive nature, allowing you guys to safely network, share your experiences, foster relationships, no matter your age, gender, visible or invisible disabilities, ethnicities, etc. If you have any concerns or issues, this is the email. We will be sharing this PowerPoint, so of that.
You stopped sharing for some reason, maybe.
Stop sharing?
Oh. Yes. Oh no. Yeah.
Yeah, 1 second. Oh, good. Awesome. Okay, but yes, we will share this PowerPoint at the end, don't worry. But any issues, concerns, email us here, and you know where to go on our website if you want to read further. So hopefully. Okay. It's always on my live that the arise. So this is just an example of some of the projects that we do. We have our mentorship program. I've been part of this program. It's how I met Adriana, and it's something that's really changed my life and my career. And I don't think I'd be at the spot in my career that I am if it wasn't for something like this. We also have a book club, we have a writing club, speaking club, career club. And if there's a club on here that you would like to see and want to start yourself, reach out to us. We're always open to start more clubs. And yeah, and also project wise, we have our mock interview projects, we have our platform project, which they've been tirelessly on recently. So a big shout out to you guys on the platform side. We have our Leak Code study group to help you with interviews. We also have a system design track. There was one previously, and I think they're also starting a new one soon, if I am correct. And yeah, machine learning track and cloud track. So again, I will share this presentation in case you want to do this QR code in your spare time. And yeah, this whole community operates on people giving up their time, their kindness, and we would love if you guys would like to contribute as well. You know where to go on this QR code. But as you can see, you can do anything, whether it's a talk, it's starting a club, it's mentoring someone, it's writing a blog post. The world is your oyster. So please, please, please reach out if you want to help us. And yeah, as you can see, there's always perks when you're kind and you're willing to give up your time, and that's making friends and making a community and getting a nice perk on your CV, which would push you forward in a job interview. And this is quite a big one. Tickets to conferences. Tickets can be astronomical, especially in this economy. So free tickets is quite a sell. But yeah. So thank you so much for joining us today, and we'll head straight into our presentation. So before I hand things over, just a quick introduction to our two wonderful leaders who will be educating you guys in the world of Java today. The first leader that we have is Sonali. She's a senior software developer with over 15 years of experience scale e-commerce. So anytime you bought something, she's your girl. She's the one you need to ask all your questions for. She's had experience in cloud native, Java architectures, and agentic AI. She's one of our core leaders here. We're really lucky to have her. She blends the technical depth with a passion for mentorship, community initiatives, and open source contributions, which you can see on the main platform project. So yeah, give it up for Sonali. We're very, very happy to have her on board. And our other leader, who you guys will be honored to have to teach you on this journey, is Adriana. She is not only a leader, but she's the founder. She is also the director of Women Coding Community. Again, she also has over 15 years of software experience, and she's specialized in building robust backend systems, leading engineering teams, and driving technology initiatives in industries such as compliance and data management and enterprise solutions. So all things backend, she is your go-to. She is your backend dictionary. So thank you so much, Adriana, for educating us in this world. She's super passionate about inclusion in tech and empowering others through mentorship like myself and fostering environments where women can thrive both professionally and personally. So yeah, you guys are very, very lucky to have these two in your corner, is all I can say. And without further ado, I will hand it over to them.